Dialogue 1. Discussing haircuts and styles.
Hi, I'm looking for a new haircut.
Sure, what kind of style are you thinking of?
I'm not sure. Something trendy.
How about a bob or lob?
I've had those before. Any other ideas?
Well, a shag cut is really popular right now.
I'm not sure if that would suit me.
Let's take a look at your face shape and hair type.
Okay, I have an oval face and thick hair.
With an oval face, you can pull off almost any style.
That's good to know. What about my hair type?
Your hair is thick, so we can add layers to give it some texture.
I like the sound of that. What else?
How about a long layered cut with side-swept bangs?
That sounds interesting. Would it be suitable for a wedding?
Definitely. It's a classic and elegant look.
Great, let's do it. When can I book an appointment?
I have an opening next week. How about Wednesday at 2 p.m.?
Perfect, I'll take it. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I can't wait to see the final result.
Me too. Do you have any tips for maintaining the style?
Yes, I recommend using a volumizing shampoo and conditioner.
Okay, I'll make sure to get those. What about styling products?
A texturizing spray or mousse would work well for this cut.
Got it. How often should I come in for a trim?
I recommend every 6 to 8 weeks to keep the layers looking fresh.
That's good to know. Can you recommend any hair accessories?
Sure, a hair clip or headband would look great with this style.
I'll keep that in mind. What about hair color?
I think some subtle highlights would look great with this cut.
Sounds good to me. Can you book me in for a color appointment too?
Of course, we can do it on the same day as your cut.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
No problem, I'm happy to help. See you next week.
Dialogue 2. Getting a manicure or pedicure.
Hi, I'm looking for a manicure.
Great, what color do you like?
I'm thinking of something bright.
How about a neon pink?
That sounds perfect. Any design ideas?
We have some cute floral patterns.
I like that. What about pedicures?
We have a variety of treatments.
What do you recommend for dry feet?
Our hydrating pedicure is great.
How does that work?
We use a special lotion and wrap your feet.
That sounds amazing. How long does it take?
About an hour and a half.
I'll definitely try that, thanks.
You're welcome. Anything else?
Do you have any nail art?
Yes, we have some fun options.
Can you do a beach theme?
Of course, we have seashell decals.
That's perfect. Let's do it.
Before we start, let me explain our nail treatments.
Sure, I'm interested to know.
We have a basic manicure, gel manicure, and dip powder.
What's the difference between them?
A basic manicure is a simple nail polish application.
And what about gel and dip powder?
Gel manicure uses a special polish that lasts longer.
How long does it last?
It can last up to 2 weeks.
Wow, that's impressive. What about dip powder?
Dip powder is a powder that's applied to the nails.
How long does it last?
It can last up to 4 weeks.
That's amazing. I might try that next time.
Sure, let me know if you want to book an appointment.
I definitely will. Do you have any tips for nail care?
Yes, always use a base coat and top coat.
Why is that important?
It protects your nails and makes the polish last longer.
That's good to know. Thanks for the tip.
You're welcome, always happy to help.
I'm excited to see the final result.
Me too, let's get started.
Dialogue 3. Talking about skincare.
Hi, I'm looking for some skincare advice.
Sure, what's your skin type?
I have combination skin, oily in some areas and dry in others.
Okay, let's start with your current routine.
I usually just wash my face with soap and water.
That's a good start, but you need more.
What do you recommend?
A gentle cleanser, toner, and moisturizer.
Do you have any specific products in mind?
Yes, I recommend a cleanser with salicylic acid.
What does that do?
It helps to unclog pores and prevent breakouts.
That sounds good. What about toner?
A toner with witch hazel can help balance your skin.
And moisturizer?
A lightweight moisturizer with hyaluronic acid can hydrate your skin without making it oily.
That sounds like a good routine. What about facials?
We have a variety of facials for different skin concerns.
What do you recommend for my skin type?
Our deep cleansing facial can help unclog pores and balance your skin.
What are the benefits of that facial?
It can help prevent breakouts and improve the texture of your skin.
That sounds great. How often should I get a facial?
It depends on your skin, but once a month is a good start.
Okay, I'll definitely book an appointment. Thanks for the advice.
You're welcome, always happy to help.
Do you have any other recommendations for my skin?
Yes, I recommend using a weekly exfoliator.
What does that do?
It helps to remove dead skin cells and improve skin texture.
That sounds good. Any specific product you recommend?
Our enzyme exfoliator is gentle and effective.
How do I use it?
Apply a small amount to your face and massage in circular motions, then rinse off.
Okay, I'll try that. What about sunscreen?
Sunscreen is important to protect your skin from UV damage.
What SPF do you recommend?
At least SPF 30, but higher is better.
Okay, I'll make sure to use sunscreen daily. Thanks for the advice.
You're welcome, and don't forget to drink plenty of water for hydrated skin.
I will. Thanks again for all the tips.
No problem, let me know if you have any other questions.
Dialogue 4. Preparing for a special event.
Hi, I have a special event coming up, and I need help with my makeup.
Sure, what kind of event is it?
It's a wedding, and I want to look my best.
Great, what kind of makeup look are you going for?
I want a natural look, but with a pop of color.
Okay, let's start with your skin. Do you have any concerns?
I have some redness and dark circles.
I recommend a color-correcting primer and concealer.
What products do you recommend?
I like the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer.
Okay, what about foundation?
A lightweight foundation like the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation would work well.
That sounds good. What about eyes?
A neutral eyeshadow palette like the Urban Decay Naked Palette would be perfect.
What about eyeliner and mascara?
A black liquid eyeliner and a volumizing mascara like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara would complete the look.
What about lips?
A pink or coral lipstick would complement the pop of color on your eyes.
That sounds perfect. Can you show me how to apply everything?
Of course, let's get started.
How can I make my makeup last all day?
I recommend using a setting spray like the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray.
Okay, what about touch-ups throughout the day?
I recommend carrying a powder compact and lipstick for touch-ups.
What about false lashes?
False lashes can add extra drama to your look, but they're optional.
I've never worn them before. Can you show me how to apply them?
Sure, I can apply them for you or show you how to do it yourself.
That would be great, thank you.
No problem, and don't forget to drink plenty of water and get enough sleep for glowing skin.
I will. Thanks for all the tips.
You're welcome. Have fun at the wedding.